Once located down a mature tree-lined street and surrounded by forest and walking trails, was a group of 14 abandoned luxury houses. They were bought by a developer for prices ranging from $3 million to $8 million. The homeowners were given 2 years rent-free to live in the homes before they were demolished. Westford Homes was the original builder of the neighborhood in the 80s. There were 5 different designs of homes to choose from. All of the houses were built in 1988, and each one had a single brick with the builder's name on it. There was opposition to the new development that will replace this one, but ultimately it was approved. The current amendment allows for 139 new homes to be built, and the size of the houses will be up to 4,000 square feet. The new neighborhood is already long since sold out, and the price of the homes was around $2 million. Alright, welcome back to another video, everyone. So I have got another amazing abandoned 1980s mansion for you here today. So we're here in the main bathroom. Now, this bathroom is absolutely incredible. There's something to my right here. I don't know how well you can see it, but if you can't see it now, you'll find out very soon. It's not something you always see in a bathroom. Anyway, this is an absolutely incredible place. It looks like it was pretty much untouched since it was built in 1988. You can see it in the color palette, the fixtures, you know, like this bathroom here, that's super 80s, right? So very cool place. This is part of a larger abandoned neighborhood. So I don't know which video this is going to be in the series, but there's going to be multiple videos from multiple houses in this neighborhood. It's an absolutely incredible place to explore. I'm so excited to be here. Hope you guys are excited to check this one out. So let's check out this static space. Okay, back with another one of these large 1980s homes from the abandoned neighborhood. This is cool. Got this hexagonal window here in the closet nonetheless, right? Like, this is really weird. Nice carpeting. Check that out. Really soft too. This is weird though because like, this is a big closet for once. Walk in, right? And you have your shelves up here. And then probably like a curtain rod to hang all your clothes and stuff. But it's like there's a step up here, right? Which is really odd. So there must be, the ground floor must be raised somehow. Not really sure what the deal is with that, but so you got your mini blinds. These are the metal ones too, so they must be 80s. They're probably original. Got your sheer curtains here that were probably hanging up there before. That looks more modern. That's not 80s. You've got your new, oh no, it's not new tone. It's Mertone. Maybe that's like, you know, the cheap knockoff of new tone. Interesting stuff. Oh, I thought I was starting at the end of the house. Okay. All right, let's do it this way then. So here we got the bathroom. It's pretty dark in this room, eh? Yeah, that's definitely been updated. Got these old sinks here. Those would be original. So yeah, this whole thing's original. Kind of like this countertop though, the white. It's nice. That's original. That's cool. I like that towel rack. I mean, this is probably, yeah, it's not very sturdy, but it looks cool anyway. So you got your walk-in shower here. Well, they got 2 showers in 1 bathroom. What? So maybe this used to be a closet. Got a light in there. Check out that tile work. Yeah, that's cool. Can't tell if that's original or not. I think it might be. Okay, these tiles are great. I really like those. With the square pattern. Definitely all original here. That is cool. That's weird. I don't know why they have another door for, I guess that's so people can get in and wash their hands or whatever when someone's using the toilet or the shower or whatever. So we got another staircase going down there. We won't go down there, we'll go down the main staircase. Well, that's pink. Miami Vice pink. Boy, we got a lot of bathrooms here. Like, I can't believe there's another bathroom already. I'm liking this round mirror. Oh, that's cool. That's probably original. Oh yeah, that's original. Look at that. I love that light fixture. That is great. Absolutely amazing. So cool. Oh, this just keeps on going. Wow, this is a really big house. Some more of your blinds there. We've got, look at this room. Definitely doesn't have a full ceiling. Oh, and check out this really cool light fixture. I'm liking that a lot. Like a lot. And then there's your closet, your walk-in closet. With a window, of course. And a baseboard heater. Those are a big no-no, guys. Unless you want to spend all your money on heating your house. Super expensive. Or if you live in a warm climate, so you don't need heat all that much. This is cool though. I didn't expect to see this. Like this little addition above the garage here. It's so strange. Like even look at this. Like follows the roof line and then you got this little strip of ceiling here. Very strange. And you can see we're approaching the main staircase here. Still got one more room to go though. Oh no, we did that one. All right, there's a sneak peek of the staircase. Hall closet, everything's been removed from there. But here, oh, and we've got Ethan here. Hey, we got the master. That is great. Wow, this is huge. Absolutely massive. Can't imagine having a bedroom this big. That's amazing. Wow. Check out this fireplace too. Marble. And then you've got the hearth. Hearth. What's this? Is this the cleanup area? Probably was. That's nice though. Really liking that fireplace. Oh, check out these. Oh, I forget what these are called. There's a special name for the curtains up top here. Yeah, I don't remember, but those are pretty cool. I mean, I wouldn't personally want them, because they're a little too feminine for my taste, but certainly look nice anyway. Look at all these cables. What are all these? Coax. Something else. More wires. Look at that. That's beefy. That's a lot of wires coming out of there. Crazy stuff. Let's take a look out here, because you've got the... That's cool. Nice view of the house there. And then you got a little sunroom there. Oh yeah, and it's got an outdoor pool as well. Yeah, there's a better look at the sunroom as well. And a little shed for you. Okay, we got the walk-in closet in the bathroom. Oh, there's also access to the attic. But look at this bathroom. This is great. Holy, oh, it's got a water closet. Oh my God. It has a spa, or not a spa, a jacuzzi. Wow, that is cool. Shame someone knocked it over. But wow, I've never seen. That's pretty cool and unexpected. Wow, I like that a lot. It's even got a little window into the main bathroom area. But look at this, you got a raised bathtub here. Really nice jacuzzi tub. Shoot, that's a jacuzzi. What did I call this? Steam room. I don't know, I can't remember the real name. I can't remember what I called it. Sorry guys, I'm a bit flustered now. Oh, this is great though. And there you've got your checkerboard, well, your like graph paper type tiles. Then these ones, which are textured for a bit of traction when you're getting into the tub. And then you've got your pink frilly curtains up top. Again, can't remember what these are called. Let me know down in the comments. I know there's a name for them. Somebody told me one time. And your big vanity and mirror. Love these globe lights as well. Oh, I'm liking the gray sinks too. Definitely original. Yeah, so this must be original too. Another shower. Oh, check out that shower head. That looks like a really nice one. Very cool stuff. I love this. Oh, and they've even got a bidet. Holy moly. That is cool. I'm really liking this bathroom. So far the favorite part of my house, of my house, yeah. But this is the cool part. Check this out. You got the chandelier here. This is definitely the best part of the house. This staircase, the whole entryway here. Because it still has this really, really grand chandelier. Really liking that. Like a lot. Look at the view down the staircase. That is so cool. That spiral, semi-spiral, quarter spiral. What a nice staircase. This is wood. Look at that grain. Really, really nice stuff. And I love the curve here. So you got this little extended like perch here. Look at that, eh? That is so cool. Like, it's amazing they can curve the wood like this too, right? That's true craftsmanship. Love that. Oh, check out that intercom. Someone spruced it up with some color. Well, that's interesting. So you've got your drapes here. These are velvet. Needs a bit of extra light there. Yeah, these are velvet. Wow, they're really, really nice. Holy, and like, you can like tie them back like that. Very, very cool. Nice blue room here. Like the color, it's very calming. And then over here, oh, this room's great. I love this mint green color. Absolutely amazing. And these curtains, oh, these are great too. Really old school. Wow. Yeah, they're definitely old. You can see all like the stains on the interior part. Still though, very, very cool. All right, head downstairs here. This house is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Unfortunately, the basement is flooded. We'll take a bit of a closer look at that in a few minutes. So you've got your really cool fireplace here. Wow, that's nice. That's see-through, isn't it? Holy. That is great. Nice brickwork. Yeah, I guess that's just concrete with a nice, like, textured edge to it. Very pink, very feminine house. And here's your wainscoting. That's actually quite nice. I like that detail work. A lot of cobwebs and dust though, eh? Look at these floors. Beautiful hardwood. Really, really nice stuff. And here's the other side of the fireplace. With your French doors to the right. This is just like a mirror image of the other side. Yeah, these are nice doors. They don't open or anything though. It's like a solid wall. Okay. Oh my God. No. The kitchen's completely gutted. That's a shame. That is a real shame. Oh, they were stuffing steel wool into the crack there. Keep the mice out. Oh, that is too bad, because you can just tell how nice this kitchen would have been with this tile work here and all these windows here. Lots of natural light. The tiles on the floor here are great too. And here's your main intercom. Holy. That is big. pantry. I feel like I've missed something here. Oh, here's the appliances. Look at this, they just like cut the wires. Oh, that's cool. Check out that. That is a great stovetop. So you got your burners and your grill. Oh, look at that. Let's go around the other side. Oh, jeez. Nice. 2 Inglis ovens. Very 80s right there. That is so good. So nice. All right, let's take a quick peek. Oh yeah, this is weird. It's kind of like a maze. Let's go down the basement here. Give you a quick peek. It's all flooded, so holy crap. Oh, that was another steam room. Yeah, so I can't walk here. That's yeah, that's a good like 2 inches of water. I'd get a soaker. But I don't think there's much down here. We got a deep freezer and then a mostly empty room over there. But a really nice staircase here. And here's your main entrance. Front doors are gone, unfortunately, which is a shame. But look at that chandelier from the base here. From the ground floor, that is so cool. And you've got your staircase view as well. That is just great. So cool. Carpeted entryway. Look at this tile work too. Wow. Just loving that. Oh, we've just got this one small room here. Okay. This is a big house. Yeah, this is, I mean, I'd call this a mansion. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down. Let me know down in the comments. Mansion or just a big house? I mean, it's even got a curved wall, right? Like you can't go wrong with that. Another bathroom. This is what, bathroom number 4? And there could even be one in the basement for all we know. Romarin et Meth. Moth. Oh, more glass doors. That's nice stuff. Okay, let's check out this room. That's a weird layout. Another nice fireplace. Gotta love that. Yeah, nice brickwork. Looks very similar to the other one, of course. Check out this chair though. That's great. Wonder if this is what they used in their kitchen, like up until they moved out. That is so cool. Oh, here's the countertop from the kitchen. I don't think, that's not original, I don't think. Maybe it is. Probably, I guess. Do we have a date on it? I don't see a date. Maybe it is original. And more of these curtains here. The decorative ones. Boy, this place does not disappoint at all. Oh, laundry sink is gone. So I think what's happening there, yeah, they're salvaging stuff. Oh, check out this dryer, eh? Whirlpool, this is really old. This may be original to the house. Oh, that's the on-off switch. Then your timer there. I wonder if they properly cleaned out the lint trap. Yeah, looks pretty clean. So you got more closets here. Yeah, that's cool. And oh, here's another door. the staircase going up. That's nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, check out those chairs. These are, oh, they look super comfy. Yeah, that's actually pretty comfortable. I've got a backpack on, so I can't sit all the way back, but holy moly. What nice workmanship that is. I could sit on that for a couple hours if need be. I think is this a, no, oh, it is a rocking chair. That is cool. That was loud. Yeah, it's a rocking chair. Check that out. That is very cool. I like that a lot, actually. Beanbag toss. Oh geez, there's all sorts of old chairs in here. Check this one out. That is so great. That's the same as the first one we were looking at. And then you got this bench here. Oh, this seat's well worn, eh? Look at that. Huh. That material is great. Loving that. So cool. So 3-car garage. Oh, there's your garage door at the back. I don't know what this is. Pool filter. That makes sense. And yeah, you can see they're saving all their doors here. A lot of doors. A lot of doors. Yeah, see what we can see down this staircase here. Oh, is that less water? Maybe able to walk down here. Nope, still the same amount of water. Okay, we're not walking in that. I don't want soaked feet. It's too cold for that. Plus that water is just nasty. Nasty. All right, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Really hope you enjoyed this 80s mansion here. Such a cool place. I absolutely love this one. You know, the chandelier up above me here was absolutely incredible. The main bedroom and the bathroom, that bathroom was just amazing as well. So again, hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Give it a like. Throw a comment down below if you have anything to say. I know there's going to be questions you guys are going to have, so let me know. Share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for all your support. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you all in the next Static Space. All right, welcome back to another video, everyone. So I have got another amazing abandoned 80s mansion for you here today. Now, I am in the master bathroom. I gotta stop saying master.
You can't say that?
I don't know, apparently it's not good.
Well, I say it all the time.
Yeah, so do I. And my sister goes, yeah, it's not good. And I'm like, oh, I don't care. I'm still gonna say it.
Yeah.
But
Oh, I know that.
all right, so I'm gonna, yeah, I think it's the main I've been calling it. All right, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. All right.